Hi, I'm Dr. Gurinder.
My name is Gunjan Patak.
I'm Dr. Prashant Chaudhary.
I am Daijeshnarthi.
I am Dr. Orithro Nag.
My name is Gurninder.
I have completed the Medvarsity's online certificate course on COVID-19 awareness and management.
I've enrolled with the Medvarsity for updating my knowledge in the field of cardiology and related sciences. It's been my wonderful experience to attend the live webinars, and I would like to enroll with Medvarsity in future for further courses.
I'm a health worker, I'm a nutritionist come dietitian, and also doctor in naturopathy, and I'm thankful to Medvarsity. Completed my fellowship in clinical nutrition, and recently I've got certification in COVID-19.
I have completed sports nutrition course successfully. I have learned a lot from this course component. Medvarsity has provided me the highest level of knowledge on the subject, which actually made me evaluate the nutritional values. Every fitness professional should learn through Medvarsity to have the best understanding of sports nutrition.
I finished my diploma emergency medicine in 2011, and recently I finished my fellowship in critical care medicine from Medvarsity even. It was a great experience to be the part of this program.
So, after I completed my bachelor degree in physiotherapy, I was interested to take up sports as an extension, and I was looking for a course that can really upgrade me, provide some knowledge, and give me a good introduction about sports rehabilitation. So, I enrolled for the course. Study material was fantastic. It was so informative. It was so I'll definitely recommend this course to everyone who is trying to take up sports physiotherapy, and I'm looking forward to do more courses from Medvarsity.
Thank you for helping me in opting a better career option with very practical, well-structured layout, videos, links and tools helped me acquiring greater confidence. This also helped me in developing my professional and personal skills.